Wow! Oh, this gap is the root cause. How about the other side? Wow! I think I better use this instead of this mobile one. Clean up the remaining. It is a good time to check all components under the chassis. Set and stop ball screw with a lot of lubricants. The pipe, the air hose, go through the underneath, route to the front of the cases. Let's use some aluminum tape to seal the gap. Use IPA or alcohol to clean up the surface area. Yes, I use this aluminum foil tape to seal underneath all the gap. I flip to another side. This side has been done. The right hand side. Now push it another half. The gap is a little bit too large. Let's seal it up. Unplug the seats and stop. It will block the path you place the tape. We shape it into a right angle for better. Press one side first and fill the gap. Another half. Ensure it stick well to cover the surface area. Done. Both sides are sealed. Done.
If you found this helpful or fun, like, comment, subscribe.